welcome to Ridvej Finance, and we are presenting Nasdaq predictions. In the last week, whatever we have given the prediction has becomes it true. You can check out on in this video where the predictions we are recommending by upcoming days for a week, that is which will be the predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 30th December 2024 till 4th Jan 2025 by Vridhivij Finance. Apart from that, if you go and check out the Nasdaq Composite Index has literally touched up to around 20,000. I mean, 20,204 it has gone, but in this week it has 20,000 points and 20 it has touched upper limit, and the lower limit is around it. If you see Nasdaq 100 is also touch up to around 21,600, means 750 we have given the pricing, but it is up to certain level it has achieved within a week itself. Check our a previous video in the description link, then you will analyze it what we are mean to it. So the predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index Common Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 23rd December 2024 till 31st December 2024. Composite Index maximum it can goes about 21,200 points, but we have written in given 20,000 only, but it can cross around 20,400. Even stability it can show us about 19,800 points, where suppose it goes down it can touch up to 19,200 points. So Nasdaq 100 we were expecting maximum it can goes above 1,950 point, but it can show some stability around 21,550 point, and minimum if it is goes down it can touch up to 21,050 point. Predictions is for the Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid for 30 December 2024 till the 4 Jan 2025. So Composite Index maximum higher end we were expecting 20,400. It can show some sort of stability around 19,500, where if it is gone down it can go below even 19,000. Nasdaq 100 we may give it to you a higher peak of the week is 21,950 or 22,000. I believe it in the whole December or end of November we have already predicted these predictions, but it has quite delay even the next peak of a year or next peak of the month. The stability it can show around 22,050, and suppose this goes down it can touch up to 20,750 points. So this is we have given a biggest volatility because market is quite volatile as of now, and that's the reason we are giving this volatility. Hopefully you will like it. It's not our YouTube audience is like it, it's all about how the market give the performance. Anyways, we are promising probably we will start a new segment into this predictions, and that will be the IPO predictions, means IPO listing predictions in Nasdaq. Hopefully, but we have to rework out on that strategy, and very soonly we will upgrade it. I guess blessed us we are completing this year and around 4 year completed. I mean 2021 we have started, 2021 Nasdaq prediction we have started. So 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 4 years completing. So 5 years hopefully we will start by 30th of, I guess 30th of the December itself we have started our first video on YouTube. Anyways, but what the it's not a god bless that we are completing anniversary. So guys, wish the new 2025 may give some glory to us. Thank you by Vridvej Finance, and we are completing 5 years. Happy work anniversary, your Your journey with us has been remarkable for us, and it has been marked by incredible achievement. We are completing 5 years is quite achieving half decade and inspiring dedication who's loyal to our YouTube channel. We are fortunate to have you as our subscriber. I'm really thankful to all of you. Hopefully, you will make a money on the day of listing. I mean, in domestic market, people really did it well, but hopefully in Nasdaq market very soonly on international platform we will explore it. Apart from that, we have just came across there are number of stock exchanges across available across different countries. We will come back with that too very soonly, but starting from another segment has really challenging for us. Every time giving a good analysis, say probably analysis can give in 1 minute or 1 second even speak about it, but the research doing on those terms is quite challenging. It takes a time for a week, it takes a time to understand their strategy. For example, we have given a hot equity to the market from the Nasdaq, and if you see those target has been achieved it. Sometimes it failed too. Yeah, I agree. That means around 30% at least we have succeeded in a hot equity market of Nasdaq. Domestic market we succeeded various number of times that is we can see very easily, but hot equity from the Nasdaq is really touch up and it fall it. Apart from that, we have another segment. It's called Bitcoin BTC analysis. That is Crypto Blush. Crypto Blush we have started very soonly. I believe it 2022 we have started by year end only, but it has we don't get a continuity as we have seen lot of hurdle during this um, journey of years and year, and that's the reason probably Crypto Blush failed. But last year, means this year 2024 year end, we have predicted, and that is also up to certain level becomes a true. You can check out those videos is available on our subsidiaries of Ridhivej Finance. In the sense, our another YouTube channel is Crypto Blush. So Crypto Blush, we have given the perfect analysis, and it has achieved it laterally in 2029 November, August, September, October, November. You can go there and check out about BTC, Ethereum. Yes, we will very soonly upload those video. Till the time you can check out. Thank you by Vidivij Finance. And apart from that, God bless all of my YouTube subscriber. And yes, absolutely share, subscribe if you love it. I know it. People only book the profit, then only they love our YouTube channel. I mean, they subscribe it. Otherwise, nobody subscribe it. Is the fact. May your love continue to grow stronger, and each passing year, wishing you, my YouTube audience, very beautiful Happy New Year, and celebrate with your family and with us. That's it, I can say. Because, anyways, guys, I hope all of you like it, our YouTube channel. And yes, actually, we do political analysis too, but some up to certain limit we fail because we are not from the ground zero. That's the reason. Like we have given US, India we have given, but in political point of view, I believe it 2019 also we have given in Indian market political analysis. That time we exactly match it. But in case of 2024, we have failed because of manipulation. I mean, we have submitted so many places our analysis, and we have literally failed it. So, anyways, guys, We will skip a part of political analysis. We will rework out on stock analysis because stock analysis is biggest pond. You can say ocean, not a pond. Politics is like a pond, and means it's a politics is like a drinkable water on in the whole ocean. So anyways, so what we are talking about, stock market. So in the stock market, if you like it, then let us know into comments. We are completing 4 year, fifth year we will start, and hopefully everybody say keep good things with you, leave bad things. Past is over, and present we will work. So, anyways, whatever happen, our failure, we will rework out on that case. I knew it. Yeah, we are not very frequent available on daily basis, and that's the reason probably we get very less YouTube audience. Sometimes we we promote our big video, like for domestic market we have given a year back MRF analysis and nobody watched that video which we have promoted. So MRF analysis has pick of the year, whatever we have given analysis for that stock has achieved it. So let's hopefully what other stocks may work. Oh my god, I didn't sleep in the night, so that's the reason now I'm yawning. So, anyways, I really appreciate my YouTube audience who doesn't left me, who doesn't unsubscribe my YouTube channel. I'm thankful to all of them, thankful to their dedication towards me. I mean, 156 YouTube audience who don't know my name, number, or anything has also subscribing me, customer. I really believe they trust me based on my analysis, not based on my personal connection or anything. And I'm thankful that all of them, yeah, actually, no, my cell phone is not working or some laptop is not working, and that's the reason sometimes I don't upload the video. This sort of hurdle very come very easily. Every person is having some sort of hurdles in personal life, professional life. Sometimes I concentrate on my professional life, and that's the reason sometimes I get frustrated with this is not working, that is not working. When my subscriber get, because we are not booking any sort of profit from this kind of YouTube channel. This is just analysis for case study. Whatever I study, that is I am giving a case study to the market, and it really worked unexpectedly. No, we I do lot of research, I read everything, and then only it comes to you. Okay, so it's all about, anyways, have a great day, enjoy your holiday, happy new year. We will recommend it later on once we are in front of public. Probably we will give it to you the details. What, how, where. Have a great day. And I wait for the new year IPOs listing for from the Nasdaq platform.